Netflix pulled in $45.2 billion last year. Everyone thinks that's because of the shows. It's not. The real business here isn't hit TV. It's squeezing more profit out of the same subscriber year after year. 325 million paying households. Netflix stopped even reporting this number quarterly because it doesn't need to anymore. This is the real headline. Operating margin went from 20.6% to 29.5% in just 2 years. Netflix spent $18 billion on content. Sounds huge, but as a share of revenue, it's shrinking every year. That gap becomes profit. More subscribers let Netflix raise prices and push the ad tier. That expands margins. The extra cash funds the next hit. Repeat. Ads went from basically zero to $1.5 billion in 3 years, and Netflix says it's on track to double that again this year. More than half of new members are choosing the ad tier. It looks like a discount for the customer. For Netflix, it's often more profitable per user. Netflix had a deal to buy Warner Bros. For $82.7 billion. When Paramount bid higher, Netflix just said no thanks and walked. $11 billion in profit. That discipline on the Warner Bros. Deal is exactly why this number keeps climbing instead of getting torched on a mega acquisition. That's the whole trick. Netflix rebuilt the old cable business model, subscription plus ads, and it's printing money doing it. Next up, we open the books on Uber and figure out how a company that doesn't own a single car actually turns a profit. Subscribe so you don't miss it.